Hey everybody, it's Jeff Duggins and Michael Snowden with Ace Designs here in Lexington, Kentucky with another edition of the Backyard Oasis. Alrighty, so we are standing in a massive
barbecuer's dream
outdoor kitchen.
Yeah.
So let's just start from the beginning and talk a little bit about the original design concept, how we came to such a massive I don't know the words for it.
Yeah, it's huge. Here, so. This customer came to us and had a dream to have one of everything, literally. He does a lot of entertaining, lots of cooking, and kind of knew what he wanted. So we put it all on paper to try to figure out what we needed and came up with this pavilion, and then detailed things like which fridge, which burners, which grills, all that stuff that he wanted. And then details like the stone, the granite, the wood finishes, all the paint colors. But his main goal was, let's get all the cooking items under a roof where he has a place to prep, cook, finish, and serve.
Well, let's talk about the different areas that we did with the kitchen, because there's a method to the madness, if you will.
Sure, absolutely.
With this, so I'm looking at this section here. I'm looking at what looks like 2 refrigerators, an ice maker, sink, and just trash can and dishwasher, which pretty much unheard of in outdoor kitchens.
When you put a dishwasher in, you're on a different level, right?
Right.
This was our prep area that we knew he needed a bunch of counter space, tons of refrigeration, storage, sink, dishwasher. So we started with that, and then after that we built on the side burners, the searing station, the oven, the custom kebab grills, the pellet grill, and the list goes on. Big green eggs, side burners, and everything else.
As you just make your way around the room,
right,
you can see the side burners are kind of close to where they're going to do sauces and prep and stuff.
Correct.
So that's, and then his grilling area with the griddle and the searing station, and like you said, the blaze pizza oven. And
amazing.
The dual power burners over here, which I thought was a little bit overkill, but when you're doing a lot of people and a lot of big bowls and
big
things like
stews, big pots of things, and another thing we did was we drop them. We try to always drop the power burners lower so that you can see in the pot. You're not reaching up to try to stir it. So
especially somebody like me, it's like
got to get a step ladder, right? That was our goal. Was she's got some huge pots that she cooks some big stews and soups on, and that's why the double power burners are there.
So the outdoor kitchen's awesome. Let's talk a little bit about the structure, because we went back and forth on a couple of different ideas for the structure. Obviously, lots of lighting, lots of air moving in here.
Yeah.
Heaters for the cooler seasons and stuff. So, talk about a little bit how we bounced the different ideas and came to this design.
Well, we knew with all of the cooking stations and everything producing smoke and heat that we needed the airflow, but we also knew that we needed a cover from weather. We wanted some heaters. Ceiling fans, all that stuff, plenty of lighting. Right. That was our goal, was to really open this up and not have any dark spots, not have any cold spots. Everything flows together really well. As a chef, he kind of has all of his stations put together, and it really flows very well. Belgard pavers, amazing. Scott Seal did an awesome job on the structure. The finish works amazing. Wood ceilings, the paint, the granite, the rock, it all just came together wonderful.
Yeah, anything else to say about this awesome project?
I love it. I'm happy to show it off and really get some good photos of all the different cooking stations and how it all ties together.
Yeah, guys, so if you want like part of this stuff or anything to do with this or like this, we follow the same process for large projects, small projects. Hit us up. Let us know what you want. Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Backyard Oasis, and we will see you next time.